You have found affordable wall art you love. Now, don't blow the budget on framing. Interior designer Melissa Reynolds has her eye on a stylish solution, and we're eager to hear. And you put this kind of in the mid-range budget category, but the effect is really high-end.
So it's something kind of unexpected. So it's a little more streamlined, a little more modern looking, but what's great about it is it really allows your artwork to stand out. So sometimes the artwork can get compete with the frames. Sometimes they compete with it a little bit, but this really just is shining on the artwork, and that's it.
This being a no-frame option, I guess the frame itself is actually acrylic.
This is an acrylic kit. You buy it in a kit just like this. It comes with 2 pieces of acrylic, and you stick your art in between it.
Okay.
And then there's just little brass beads at the end that you screw together, and this is what you screw into the wall. So.
And then how does it hang?
So it comes with 2 of these little screws. This one has a hole at the end. You actually stick the nail through here.
Oh.
Drill it onto your wall.
Okay.
And then you screw the entire painting onto the wall. Does that make sense?
Very cool. So there's a little bit of gap between the wall and the actual frame.
So it sticks out a little bit. It's really fun. This particular kit is from a local company in Utah here called Highland Hardware.
Okay.
They have a shop on Etsy where they sell these, and you can choose brass details, or you can get like a polished nickel, and they can custom any size you want.
This is gorgeous. Sometimes the frame feels too heavy or it doesn't quite coordinate with the vibe of the room. This would go in almost any design aesthetic.
For sure, and you can put it in any space in the home. I think it works in any of the other elements that we were talking about before, over a mantle even, like above furniture.
We're seeing it here, the application with photography. Could you use it with actual art?
Absolutely.
Too?
I think you can use any type of artwork in here. And again, like I said before, it just showcases that artwork. So if you have a piece of art that you just absolutely love, put it in here and it will just shine like wherever you hang it.
Family pictures?
Family pictures are a great one. Yes, a great one.
Melissa, great tip. Great tip. Give us the company name again.
So it's Highland Hardware, and they're on Etsy.
Okay, thank you. We appreciate it. Great idea.